Let's take a look back at what's making news headlines. This morning, South Africa has recorded 139 new COVID-19 related deaths in the last 24-hour cycle. This brings to 17,547 the total number of deaths reported in the country since the coronavirus outbreak. The National Health Department is also reporting 1,641 new cases. Now, these new infections take up the total number of cases nationally to 688,352. South Africa's recovery rate is 90% with 620,081 recoveries. Over 4 million tests have been conducted so far. 20,419 of those were conducted in the past 24 hours. The number of active cases currently stands at 50,724. Former Gauteng Health MEC Dr. Bandile Masuku plans to challenge the findings of the Special Investigating Unit report, which formed the basis of Premier David Makhura's decision to fire him. In a statement, Masuku says he does not agree with the SIU finding that he failed to execute his oversight functions. Makhura announced that he was firing Masuku based on preliminary findings of the SIU unit into alleged irregularities relating to the procurement of PPE supplies. This despite the SIU not having made any findings regarding Masuku's alleged involvement in any acts of corruption or even collusion. An evidence leader at the State Capture Commission in Johannesburg, Advocate Paul Pretorius, has explained why it is necessary for former President Jacob Zuma to appear before the commission. Now, the commission earlier heard an application by its legal team for an order authorizing a summons for Zuma to appear from the 16th to the 20th of next month. Justice Raymond Zondo has made concessions for the former president to appear given his age and has ruled that he can appear remotely if he so wishes.